Welcome to Penhouse YouTube channel. I am Navi. On this channel, we dive deep into the fascinating worlds of pens with a special focus on a legendary Lamy brand. From detailed reviews and unboxing to historical insights and maintenance tips, we have got everything you need to enhance your pen knowledge and collection. First, I'll show you the pen. So, same way, what is the box outside? The same color the pen will be. Okay, we'll open this, and here we have our hero. This is Lamy LX RAU model, and this is a ballpoint pen. Today we are going to review this. In this video, we are going to see the overall length, weight, and writing of the pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe to Penhouse YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn at penhouse.in. You can directly visit our shop. It's in Tambaram, Velacheri and in Cholinganallur. You can purchase also online. So let's move on to the video. And here we have a Lamy box, rose gold and then black color combination in the box mid. They have given Lamy brand name. And what is the outside of the box color? The same things will be in the inside. We'll open this and I'll show you. See here the same black and rose gold combination. Here we have a pen. So it's a comfortable box. It will be very comfortable. You can see here. And that's amazing, and we have more different colors in the same brand. Okay, we'll review this pen now. And here we have Lamy LX RAU model, and this is a ballpoint pen, and they didn't mention any clip or any other band in the pen. There is a suspension over here, and here we have a clip. Yeah, it's a user-friendly clip, so we can insert easily into the pocket. And here we have a transparent body, and I just love this pen. In the back side of the clip, they have given the Lamy brand name. Now we'll see the construction. We'll calculate the length now. So that we are going to use this vernier scale, and this is a flat finial, so we can easily calculate the length. It's 137.03 mm, and it's a retractable type ballpoint pen. So we'll calculate the length including the tip. It's 140.00 mm, and the grip section diameter, it's a triangular grip section. It's 10. We are going to calculate the weight of this Lamy LX RAU model, and it's a ballpoint pen. It carries 17 gram. We'll unscrew this and check the weight. The barrel part carries 10 gram, grip section part including the refill carries 7 gram, and the refill part alone carries 3 gram. It's a transparent grip section, it carries 2 gram. Okay. And we did the construction. It's a lightweight pen and with an usual length. And here we have a suspension, and that acts like a retractable fountain pen. Yeah, that's nice. You can see in many vehicles this types of suspension materials will be there. That design is this. And here we have a triangular grip section, and that's a transparent thing. You can see what are the things are inside this refill part. And here we have a black finish. Yeah, that's nice. It's a retractable type ballpoint pen with a medium tip. We'll see the refill type. We are unscrewing this. Here we have a black color refill. This is Lamy M60 and there's a medium tip. So we'll do the writing sample now. First we are going to write penhouse.in. And it's black color refill. The brand name, Lamy, LXRAU. And then tip size, it's medium tip. Nice grip section actually. I just love this. And here, and it's very dark in color, and we don't want to make more pressure while writing. And we'll do the smoothing test. And this is a mid-weight pen, even though that's nice. Perfect for writing. This is a medium tip. We did the writing sample now. That's nice and amazing. The correct constant ink flow and the refill. And I just love this pen holding like this. It's a regular usage pen. So all the school students, office going, everybody can use this pen. Like adults, college students, everybody can use this pen. And it's a like regular usage pen. I love this triangular grip section pens. The transparent grip section. It's just amazing. Look at the color combinations here. It's rose gold here, and here we have a transparent, and here we have black color. We came to the end of the session. Whether Pen House is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers of different brands. All branded pens are available, including all spares are available. You can also contact us through online. You can directly visit our shop. It's in Tambaram, Velachery, and in Solingnallur. We are manufacturing our own branded pens. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your products. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching.